is first time train spotting in Finsbury Park. 7 class heading for Cambridge. And then we have a coming in the distance. Looks like HST. So I wonder what is something coming in the distance. There's two. One is a LNER, HST class 91, I think. 43, here it comes. And now I'm 40 here. Something that how about another one? This is going to this platform, I think.
Platform 1 for the 1403 Great Northern service to Moorgate. This train is formed of 6 coaches, calling at Drayton Park, Highbury and Islington, Essex Road, Old Street and Moorgate. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
The 1403 to Moorgate is ready to depart. Ready, releasing the brakes, and here it goes. The new R service gate. I see another set of headlights there. Could be the 1409 coming in early. Calling at London King's Cross only. I see a set of headlights. And here at Finsbury Park, it is starting to rain. Not so good. What is it this time? Could even be the 1409. Early.
Platform 2 of the 1409 Thameslink service to London King's Cross. This train is formed of 8 coaches, calling it London King's Cross only.
The 1409.
First class accommodation is at the front of the train. Customers are
here.
reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
It is Burton times 387. 129 at the front. Obviously when it opens, I'm pausing it. 387, 103 off to London King's Cross. Here we go, we've got a fast one coming through. Ooh, a class 90! DB. we've got another one coming through. It's the 14
Platform
14
2 for the 1414 Thameslink
service to London King's Cross.
This train is formed of 8 coaches, calling it London King's Cross only. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. Customers are reminded to mind